Another car has been murdered. This vehicle had lost its strength, acceleration was weak, and the exhaust glowed red hot. A dangerous symptom indeed. Who do you suspect? A failing turbo? A clogged air filter? Or something hiding in the exhaust system? A physical check on the intake system showed no blockages. The turbo looked healthy, free spinning, no oil leaks. Back pressure measurements revealed the truth. Exhaust gases were trapped, unable to escape. A blocked catalytic converter. The engine could breathe in, but not out. A suffocating death. Case closed.